Hey y'all, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go.
Yo, what's up, guys? I know you haven't seen me in a while, but I'm back, putting in the earbud, reacting to another high-speed chase with JTSpeeds. Hopefully we don't have to eat a donut.
Alright, today on the show where I watch police chases, we got a Lamborghini Urus and a Lexus caught street racing. And then they took the Jakes on a chase. ASP, of course. This is the first time I've seen a Lambo. I wouldn't even expect a Lamborghini to be in Arkansas, but hey, it is.
I wouldn't even expect them to know they were chasing a Lamborghini.
So they just went flying right past the trooper. They didn't even.
Yeah, that was a blow by. They're in it deep. There's no turning back now. One took the exit. They went to Lamb. Or did they already fly down that loop?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're flying. I see them.
They got over the hill on them. The cop took all that time to get to 140. They're already going 140.
120 plus.
Yeah.
For sure, Ski.
This cop should have seen that coming.
There's another scat. He's in the slow lane.
The fact that you can't see tail lights up there is just very telling. Like, if y'all don't know, today, usually if the cops catch the guys that are running, I'll clap it up for them, eat a donut. But this a Lambo, and you're in a Dodge. The math ain't math.
Yeah, I don't expect him to be chasing one.
Maybe he'll catch the Lexus.
Right.
I don't even know what model to put, but the Lexus looked blue when it flew by, so I'm gonna just say a blue Lexus coupe.
I don't even know why they said they was chasing it. Like, y'all saw the Lambos.
Yeah. This wasn't a chase.
He's taking the exit here. So if he's taking the exit, that would be the suspect right there, right?
Maybe.
Oh no, he wants him out the way. He said, fuck you, Chrysler.
That Chrysler high key got in the way. He helped.
W Chrysler. Yeah, they're gone. Go ahead, turn those lights off. Go ahead, turn those lights off.
What the heck? Was it a crash? Maybe they turned into Chick-fil-A and was like, bro, we just lost that Jake in under a minute. But they train the cops to, that if people are running away from them, they're just going to take all rights. So that's why you're seeing this cop bust all of these rights.
Yeah,
He's just staying textbook. Like, no. They got off the freeway, turned left, and got right back on the freeway.
Let them left be fucking them up.
If he takes another right, he might as well just turn the lights off. Like, why chase a Lambo?
Who is he chasing?
Yeah.
Right now?
He's chasing his
Civilians?
ego. Yep, he's gonna bust another right, Mr. Clown.
Got the lights on, he's speeding. Where's the emergency? The Lambo you couldn't catch? Turn the lights
It's
off.
taking this thing too long to get to 100. Like, this is pitiful. Damn.
He's back chasing the ghosts. 100 miles an hour down the street. This is a crime at this point.
Yeah.
Where I see if he saw the individuals, the suspects, the vehicle. He's chasing darkness and tail lights of civilians.
Even
They're scared.
He almost
Look.
backed out.
He's skirting the tires and shit behind them, roaring the little V8 the motherfucking government gave him and shit. Stop.
Shout out to LRH and Cash for the video. Original video will be in the description. I'm gonna put his ads right here. Y'all check him out on YouTube, Instagram. That's the tags that I got for you.
No shit, Jackson. Get your ass back here. Go back to highway patrol.
Oh, that's cooked. He might as well call that off.
The lights are activated is still crazy to me, bro. Even if you saw them again, what makes you think they won't do that to you again? Turn the lights off. No donut.
I bet he don't even know what flew past him. He just knew something went past him and he's just like, grr.
All units near me. Just turn the lights on. Let's speed.
Another pitiful 100 pull. That one's a little quicker.
Nah, I watch it. It goes like to that 94. It don't jump to 100.
Yeah.
You need to slow down. Like he's pushing the slow car.
This was an hour after midnight. This month, this happened.
Alright, he's cruising. Turn the lights off, and that's it.
Wow.
Go back
Is
to
there a
highway
police
patrol,
report?
nigga. Yeah, Jackson. He's mad as fuck.
Okay. Let me get a police report here. Bro, I done went too far back. This is kind of pissing me off, man. Okay. Another vehicle appeared to be a blue Honda Accord. Okay, so it was something blue. I'm gonna just say it was a Lexus, like LRX and Cash said. And then he called the other one a Volkswagen. Yeah, it was a Volkswagen, alright. The vehicle passed. Vehicles on the shoulder, service road, drove in the matter. Put the public in danger of injury of death. He was unable to maintain a visual. Continuing on I-30 West. Like, why are you chasing a Lambo, bro? Like, and he put Volkswagen just to, like, be spiteful. Like, no, bro, you got cooked. And it was a Lexus, too. You got cooked, bro. They need to get better stuff for them to chase. But, like, I don't have an exact ritual for, like, what I'm putting for if these guys get away. I don't condone running from the police. I'm not promoting it. I'm just reacting to it. But this is how you get away. Because ASP was stepping up their game this year, for sure, and trying to get on top of the chases. But it doesn't look like they're on top of the chases when it comes to a Lambo and a Lexus.
Yeah, I say that flyby. That
2 L's.
The whoosh that he did buy, that was a good time to just eat his donut, pull over, like, you know, take it all in. Like,
yeah,
they're fine buying Lambos. They're doing races. I'm just a cop. You know, like, I can't give them a ticket. Maybe someone else speeding, like how he was just speeding.
Yeah, catch a Chrysler or something speeding, man.
All right. That flyby, you could just pull over and ate your donut.
An Italian super SUV.
Yeah, chocolate iced at the top. You should have pulled over.
Yeah.
You're
Sprinkles. They would have probably hooked them up. You know what I mean? At the donut shop,
Right, like,
gave them a free donut.
You work for the government, like, hey,
Yeah.
this is like, provided for you. It's just A to the B, get
Right.
the donut.
But we couldn't even get them the donut today. Y'all, the ASP didn't get the donut. They took 2 L's, two cars got off on their ass. So, anything else before I close out? Give yourself a shout out, bruh. Tell them, you gotta tell them.
Shout out to F word Rip22 on Instagram. F word, what you're thinking. Type that and then Rip22. And
It'll be right here. I do got that on your tags on my phone.
The last thing for just he could have really just pulled over. Like all that endangering the public, like how they say they're endangering the public. He just went and did it back.
Yeah.
Pull over.
You're just as bad as them now.
That type of shit. Yeah, like what are
You just
doing?
stoop to their level.
And it's not even a level. That's a Lambo.
Yeah, I mean, if y'all had Lambos
Right.
in the fleet, like the Dubai police, but
you know, the electric or
nah,
you're in the stand. Come on,
nah, bruh.
why turn? Like this is embarrassing. That's all I gotta say. Do better.
Anyways, this is JTSpeeds, Rip22, reacting to a police chase. Smash the subscribe button. Show some love if you want to join the Liftoff gang. Thought of a name. No. The Liftoff mob. Because that Lambo lifted off. It's JTSpeeds, and I'm out. Peace.
Watch the way you talk when you speak. Had to stop fucking these niggas, they nerds. Can't fuck with these niggas, they geeks.
Spot the bitch out, she is a bird. I take a cereal coat to go to sleep. I am the man, I say the word. I had them killers creeping in your sleep. Hit the bitch out, she link with ease. I made the little bitch say please. All of my niggas, they calling me cheese. I got some cribs, they on